RFID-based tracking solution ideal for hospitality and healthcare to count and track linen, laundry, and assets. Let's have a look at the current scenario. Soiled linen are received from various departments and have to be segregated and manually counted. The supervisor cross-checks again before handing over to the laundry agent, and enters the data to the system. The laundry agent does a cross-check from their side manually. After wash, on return they have to be counted and cross-checked manually again before moving it to various departments. Automated complete laundry asset management software for hotels. Lissy's application works on radio frequency technology. RFID tags which can withstand a minimum of 200 and up to 500 washes and temperatures up to 150 degree need to be attached to the linen. It need to be heat sewed, stitched, or pocketed to individual linen. RFID handheld readers are mobile portable readers that can detect the tags within a range of 2 to 3 meters. RFID reader and UHF RFID antenna which are fixed and have a range of 3 to 5 meters. RFID frame holds the reader and antenna and through which the trolley carrying linens have to be moved. With Lissy's application you need not waste time for segregation counting or intending. Trolley with linen are just passed through the RF frame. The tags get detected automatically and Lissy's will keep count and create log of items. Lissy's also audits the wash cycles. This will take a minimum of 2 to 3 hours and cost 3 manpower at least. Lissy's does this in 5 minutes. On receiving the washed linens, Lissy's notifies missing items and create pending items list. It will only read tags belonging to that hotel. With Lissy's real-time stocking is made very easy. Presently real-time stocking in checkout rooms are not practiced largely due to the complexity in taking count of each and every item. With Lissy's mobile readers real-time stock taking could be achieved within fraction of a minute. Lissy's also aid in keeping check on pilferage by guests. Lissy's can also help in keeping a check on linen loss due to mishandling. Keeping track of items while outdoor catering can't be made simpler. Use the reader before and after loading the items in and out, and all details will be available in matter of a minute with missing item notification.